We need to connect the remote control first to connect the control cable. Click Remote Controller on the Control Solution tab. Select the indoor unit to connect and click OK. The Control Placement Grouping window will pop up. Then select the model of remote control to use and click OK. Select the wall to mount the remote control now. If you want to use the same remote control again, use the Copy Equipment function. After placing the remote control, use the Wiring Remote Control to connect the remote control and indoor unit.